Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Hey, Mike Foster here, and what do I have in my hand? Look at, I gotta step back so you can see the size of this thing. It's a cucumber, really from the melon family. It's an Armenian cucumber. And why should you eat this? Well, that's what I'm gonna talk about today. They grow even twice as big. Sometimes they curl up like this. This one's maybe a little too big. Probably want them about this big, like there, for optimum taste. But what's nice about them is you can eat the skin, probably have more nutrition in them and other benefits than other just regular cucumbers. Or if you get an intruder in your house, you can use it as a weapon. This thing is huge. You can eat the skin, which is loaded with fiber. These are loaded with lots of water, which help with what? Actually good for your skin, for your own skin, and they're great for hydration. Lots of people pack cucumbers when they go on hikes because there's lots of water in there that you need. And they're also very low cal, and they're good for losing weight. Let's bust this baby open, see what it looks like, and I'll tell you more about why you should eat an Armenian cucumber. This is a pitch, and it's home run. Let's get this soft end right here. We're gonna just take about this much and play with it because that looks pretty good right there. Let's get a good slice going right here and see that baby. All right, that looks nice. Why else should you eat this? This is full of antioxidants and lots of the B vitamins, including also vitamin K, vitamin A, and vitamin C. I can't wait to take a bite and tell you what those vitamins are good for. Here's the first bite. Those vitamins actually are good for anti-aging. They're good to fight cancer. They're good for your heart. And guess what else is really good about this cucumber? This baby prevents constipation, if you can believe that. It's good for your immune system. It's rolling all around. There's the big son of a gun there. And eating these are good for your kidneys, believe it or not. This one might be a little too big, but as you can see, you can eat the skin, which is good. You can make these, use them in salads, of course. One thing you can do for your skin is slice them thin, put them in the refrigerator, and then, seriously, when you've heard about this at spas, where people put the cucumber on their eyes, it was because they're loaded with moisture, and they do reduce swelling in your skin. I might do this right after I'm done with this. Why else should you eat this killer cuke? It's because it's loaded with calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, folate, and beta-carotene. People think, oh, you only have to eat carrots to get beta-carotene. No, beta-carotene, vitamin C, one of the most important vitamins you need daily, you can get right here with these Armenian cucumbers. I like that one for the thumbnail, don't you? So, I told you all the different reasons you should eat Armenian cucumbers. And of course, they taste good. Put them in salads. I love cucumbers in a sandwich. As you can check out some of my cucumber sandwiches. Lots of mayo. So they're not perfectly healthy for you. But those are several of the reasons why you should eat Armenian cucumbers. They grow in the heat. That's why they're really good here in the Mojave Desert where I live. They grow. They love the heat. And discover them. You might not be able to find them in parts of the world where you live. There's lots of nice companies online where they can send you the seeds and you can try to grow them yourself. For more Wyatt videos or videos about anything about life, especially cooking videos, gambling videos, sandwich videos, egg videos, check out Live Life 365 at my socials. Till then, peace. Let's eat that.
Live life 365.
Green means go. Red means go. Hey, they're probably more nutrition because the rest is just too much to handle. Are they crunchy? There's the bite. Tastes good. So, for more Y8 why else would you eat them? They make a good weapon. And